Let's continue our topic. We are going to continue with the third type of irrigation system, which is center pivot irrigation system. Okay, so let's start. Third modern system of irrigation, center pivot irrigation. Here I am showing you one pic, so let's start. Center pivot irrigation system uses a pipeline that rotates around a central point. Okay, so you can check this type of structure is there, okay, of center pivot irrigation, okay, in which there are different pipes are connected with the main pipe. Okay, you can check center pivot irrigation system uses a pipe that rotates around a central point. Okay, so this is central point and many pipes are connected with the central point and it rotates, these pipe rotates around a central point where the underground pipeline is connected to the central structure. From there the water is distributed to the sprinklers. Okay, so these pipes, these center pipes are mainly attached with the underground pipeline. These center pipes, main pipe, on which other pipes are rotating and sprinkling water in around the field. Okay, the center pipe is connected with the main pipeline, okay, main underground pipeline. Okay, from where the water is distributed to the sprinklers. So from the main pipeline, from the underground pipeline, the water which is transferred to the center pipe. Okay, and from this center pipe, other pipes which are attached, connected with the center pipe, water is transferred to those pipes and they rotate around the center point. Okay, and distributing water all over the area. Okay, so center pivot irrigation system uses a pipeline that rotates a central point where the underground pipeline is connected to the central structure. The central structure is connected with the underground pipeline from where water is supplied to the center point, and from center point other pipes which are connected with the center point, water is transferred to those points, and when those pipes rotates at the around the center point, then it distribute water. Okay, so where the underground pipeline is connected to the central structure, from there water is distributed to the sprinklers by the pipelines. Okay, so through those pipelines water is distributed through the sprinklers, which is supported by a series of triangle supporters. Okay, you can check here. If I show you full pic, you can check triangle, this triangle structure is there. Okay, so water is distributed to sprinklers by the pipeline, which is supported by a series of triangular supports with wheels powered by high voltage electric motors. Okay, so this center system, this whole system is supported by a series of triangle support. You can check one here, one will be next. Okay, you can check this is one field and this center pivot irrigation system, in which this is the main pipe and this main pipe is connected with the underground pipe. So when with the help of motor, with the help of driven machine, water is supplied to the main from the underground pipe to the center point. Okay, to the center pipe, then from the center point different pipes are attached in it. Okay, connected from the center point, and when they rotates they supply water to the land. Okay, and this whole system is supported by the triangle structure. Okay, you can check triangle supports. Okay, these are supporters, these triangles are playing role as a supporter. So they supports the wheel powered by high voltage electric motors. So this whole system, this rotating, all pipes rotating, supplying water to the field, all over the field, and the center pipe, this all is supported by these supporters. Okay, they are triangles, okay, working as a supporters, which supports wheel powered by high voltage electric motors. Center pivot irrigation system are often used in medium to large scale farming for a variety of crops. So this type of system is used for the variety of crops. Okay, In small scale farming, in large scale farming, in both type of farming, this system is used. Okay, so this method ensures a minimum wastage of water. It is useful in places where there's a scarcity of rainfall. Okay, so this system ensures a minimum wastage of water. Okay, and water is evenly distributed to the field. Okay, so water is evenly distributed to the field all over the place. Water is evenly distributed, and there is a minimum wastage of water. Okay, so you can say these modern methods of irrigation which we have, they save water, they uses water very efficiently. Okay, minimize its wastage. Okay, and very helpful in those areas where there is a scarcity of water. Okay, like this was a sprinkler irrigation system. Okay, this was drip irrigation system. This is about center pivot irrigation system. Okay, so all these modern methods of irrigation, they mainly helps in saving water. Okay, these techniques help in saving water, less wastage of water through this method. Okay, rate of evaporation, chances of evaporation decreases. Okay, water is used very efficiently without much wastage. Okay, so this is all about modern method of irrigation. Okay.